Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to give you the outlook that I have heading into Friday. Now, with Friday being a monthly expiration, there is absolutely the chance of some type of a short covering rally, right? Over the course of the past two sessions, we've seen a lot of activity on the put side. Through that movement, I haven't seen anything that has really called for a reversal yet. Right? The way that I would look at this is to say that Wednesday's selling was significant, and I mark off the low of that cash session. And then you can see as we got into Thursday, we open, rally right into that level, get a little bit above, and then exceed the Globex high just by a few ticks, but then close below yesterday's cash low. Everything I see about that would suggest trend continuation of this trend because you weren't able to explore any further into the previous day's range. So we'll see if that way of thinking is any good. Again, I'll say Friday could bring a bit of a short covering rip, but as of now, I don't see anything that is changing those patterns. And if we are going to see more downside, this is a pattern in Amazon that I think takes us to 2,000, right? Now, it may take some time. I don't know that we'll get all the way there tomorrow, but another idea that had come up was thinking about Amazon down into 2000 for their stock split, right? Because so many traders, or at least I feel like this question comes up a lot, that they'll say, you know, the stock is getting ready to split. Don't you think it will rally into that? Well, some names have exhibited that personality, but by no means is it a guarantee. And when you think about a 20-for-1 split, wouldn't that make a lot of sense to be at 2,000, split, and then be right at 100? The market doesn't have to be logical necessarily, but it can be quirky in ways like that, and I think that's very much worth considering. And in summary, suggests that we have another $146 to the downside at least before that event occurs. So I hope that's helpful, gives you something to add into your trading as we get into the next couple of weeks. I will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.